Hey everyone, this is Sal Congeloso from Geek.com, and I'm here with the Nokia Lumia 2520. You probably know what that is if you're watching this video. It's a 10.1 inch Windows RT or Windows RT 8.1, whatever you want to call it, tablet. Just came out alongside the Nokia 1520, which is the basically a larger version of Windows Phone. Anyway, I have the tablet here. I want to do a quick tour of the device and the hardware. We already know about the software. It's Windows RT, the latest version, similar to what's running on the Surface 2. So the difference here is that the hardware was changed relative to the Surface 2. So what we're getting is a different processor, a different panel, different outside. Obviously, it's made by Nokia, which will be part of Microsoft, but isn't yet. So anyway, just going to do a quick tour of the device. This thing's running a quad-core Snapdragon 800 at 2.2 gigahertz, and so that's as opposed to the Tegra 4 clocked at 1.7 gigahertz. It's got an Adreno 330 for graphics. So basically, this thing is it has a lot of power, and as a result, it runs really smoothly. So as we saw with the Surface 2 versus the Surface RT, it was really improved. So that's the case here. This thing, supposedly, it really outclasses the power of the Surface 2. So camera won't help us, but yeah, just to run through some of the specs, we're looking at a 10.1 inch clear black IPS panel that runs at 1920 by 1080. So really nice panel. It's got great colors. It's red to go with the red device, and it is super red. So you could change that background color. Obviously, this you need to either love it or you hate it. The plastic case is nice because it feels sturdy, it feels well built, but it's definitely picking up a lot of fingerprints, which I've been trying to avoid. My hands are super clean. Just you could just see there's nothing to do about that. It's just hard. The plastic is a little bit slippery, so I think the Surface 2 wins out there, but this is thinner and lighter, so it's a bit of a trade-off. Also on the hardware side, we can see the keyboard jack. We don't have that yet. That also works for a case. I'll get that in soon. Really big is right there, Verizon. This is 4G LTE built in. Surface does not have an LTE option. NFC, that's great, and there's a little Zeiss camera. This thing can shoot pretty nice 6.7 megapixel shots. Not that people tend to use their tablets, especially Windows tablets, for shooting. Obviously, you can see from hardware, no kickstand. So if you want to use this as a laptop, you got to keep that in mind. Before I move back to the specs, I'll do a quick examination. Check this out. Do you see any problems here? What you could probably detect is that there's two jacks and look exactly the same, and they're on the same side of the device. These are this is your power port, this is your headphone jack. Both of them look like 3.5 millimeter jacks. The difference is this one has a little, you could probably make it out, that one has a pin inside, so you can't stick your headphone jack in there. This one, a 3.5 millimeter headphone, will go all the way in. But I could easily see you trying to stick your power jack in this one, headphone jack in this one, or something like that. It's not going to break the device or anything, but let's face it, it is a little bit annoying. So there's the orientation flip. Ugh, catch up. It's really nice and quick. So nice work there. Microsoft fixed a lot of problems with the new version of RT, so everything's way snappier than it was, and stuff just works well. So a lot of the bugs, if you use the early versions, were fixed, and now this thing is nice and quick. Let's hop over to Geek. I think we're actually over LTE now. I didn't put this thing on Wi-Fi. So loading up. This is new version IE. Looks pretty sweet. There's our deals page. Wonderful. Let's go to the home page. How about that? Meanwhile, just to run through the specs, the slim at the edges. It's got this nice plastic case, which I think you're gonna love it, or you're gonna either like it or you're not going to like it. I think it's actually pretty nice, but this is more tablet-y and less PC-like. So, quad-core, Tegra 4, blah, blah. Yeah, we got everything. I think if you are looking for a Windows RT tablet, you kind of know what you want, and there's not a ton of options out there. And this is one of the nicer ones. I think the Surface 2 has its advantages, but this one's going to be a little smoother, a little bit more power. I think as far as build quality, I think the Surface wins out. As far as style points, then this maybe wins. I don't know. Not everyone's going to like this red. It's a lot to deal with. There's some other options, but you got to decide for yourself. And then, yeah. So this is Sal Congeloso with the Nokia Lumia 2520 tablet. I'll grab the 1520 when I can. We'll do a quick tour of that. I think the device is a little bit more interesting. But it is a really big, really fast Windows phone. But yeah, thanks for watching.